So we're taking care of a nice new Porsche Cayenne today that's got an issue on the paint with some water spots. See right here around the sun, if you look at the reflection out here on the edges as I move the camera, you'll see those water spots. So this car was sat next to a lawn sprinkler in the front, and it got these spots on it, primarily just in the front area. So today we will be removing those water spots with a safe method, not grinding on it with a polisher, but with a chemical that dissolves it safely, doesn't do anything to the clear coat, and then we'll repolish it to restore the shine. But yeah, see all this, I mean, you can definitely see as I move the camera around, all these water spots on here. And then there's also some up here on the windshield, below the windshield wipers, this area down here. So we'll be taking care of all of this for the client, making this thing look shiny and new once again. Okay, so we've removed the water spots and polished this Porsche. Look at the reflection of these lights right here as I move the camera around. We've got no more water spots and lots of shine all across the hood. Same thing you can really tell if you just follow these lights everywhere. Just look it through there, how clear that is. All along here. Mission accomplished.